All right, I am going to show you how to screen record a YouTube video with sound in the easiest way possible. Okay, so the easy way is the important way because most ways that people do it are honestly so annoying. You're downloading stuff and you're figuring out, drivers playing around with it. It's difficult. So any screen recorder will do it. The problem is, or they'll get the video, but they won't get the sound. So watch this just to prove it, and then I'll show you how I'm doing this. So you just go to any YouTube video, okay, and then just press play and listen. I'm not going to play obviously the whole thing, but you get the
Mountain
idea.
ranges and vast oceans to surreal landscapes that seem to defy reality.
Okay, so you notice I could talk if I want to. I can play the video and record the video in my screen. Obviously, you hear the sound from the video. Now, I didn't download anything to do it. I'm just using Podsplice, which is so easy. I'm going to show you how to do that in a sec. You don't have to know anything if you're not a techie. So watch this. Just go to Podsplice quickly, podsplice.com. Click on Start Recording. I already have an account. Otherwise, you'd sign up for that. Now, all I would do is this, click Start New Recording, and it's a screen share. There's a lot of cool things you can do with this. So just click Start New Recording. And then I wrote about this today, how to do it. Something pops up. See, I'm already recording, so I can't press Start Recording or I will be recording twice. Like you can see, I'm here in another tab doing this, right? But then this pops up. You click Entire Screen to record, and then this is the important one to toggle on. Also share system audio, so that's the sound coming from the YouTube video or anything in your browser, and then you just watch the video and you have it. Now, the cool thing is, watch this. The final version, you're going to get this. You get 4 separate tracks. You get your face if you want it. I've decided I don't want to record my face right now, but you can see here I am recording my face in the corner, right, if I want to. So that file's there. You get the screen, like what you're seeing on screen, and then you see these 2 audio tracks, right? One of them is the video that I'd be playing, the YouTube video sound, and then the other one is me talking. Now, you can edit any of them individually. Podsplice will combine them all in the end. You can, like I did in this one, I took off my face because I don't want to show it. And if you're not saying anything, you can take off the sound of the microphone in the end, so you just get the YouTube video and the sound. Excuse me. Or what a lot of people do, like me, is you want to do this, like you want to record a YouTube video with the sound so that you can do this, like tutorials, right? Or you're a content creator, you're making YouTube videos, you want to share a clip from YouTube easily, right? And get the sound and then react to it. Or you're a teacher or a professor and you want to show your students something, so you're screen recording how to do something, and part of your presentation includes a YouTube video, and you want there to be sound there. So for all of these needs and use cases, you just use Podsplice, all right? And then you record your screen. You can, go up and down in the settings there. It's very, very easy. I showed you, just like click and make sure system audio is on. That's it. Choose your microphone, choose your webcam. If you want to have your face and mic in there, and that's it. Just click system audio and away you go. You get like the full video, right? And then you go to full screen, and then you just got the video. You don't even have to, like, whatever you're showing on screen. And it's so much better than OBS or playing around, because it's just so frustrating to use that kind of stuff because it doesn't always work. You're always getting updates. And then it bogs down your computer as well because it's software, and it's why it's a nightmare. So it's so much easier with Podsplice. Go to www.podsplice.com, set yourself up, and you will not regret it, especially as a teacher, content creator, whatever. So easy, so fun to use. All right, we'll see you in the next video.